Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily cancel your orders inside of TikTok Shop. So to start with, you first want to open the TikTok app, and how it used to be is it only used to be the following and for you page at the top. However, they've now added the TikTok Shop to the main page, so what we want to do is just swipe to the right. Now from here, if we look in the bottom right corner above where our profile is, we can see three little lines. If we click on that, it goes ahead and opens this. Now if we've recently cancelled an order, what we want to do is press orders. Now, as you can see, I haven't actually ordered anything, but I'll still guide you through exactly how you can cancel your order. So to start with, you first want to make sure that your order hasn't actually been shipped out yet or awaiting shipping. If they've already packed up your order and got it ready to send out to you and you try and cancel it, it won't work because it's unfair on the seller as they've already basically spent the time getting that package ready. So it'd be unfair for you to be able to cancel it after that. So if that is the case for you, just know now that you will not be able to cancel it. You'll have to wait for the order to get to you, and then you can just refund it from there. So as I said, I haven't actually ordered anything, but if you have, your orders will come up here. So what you want to do is you just want to click on your product and then scroll down until you see the cancel button. Now, if you can't see the cancel button, it's probably for the reasons I just said. They've probably already got your order ready or already shipped out, so that will not be possible. But if you do see the cancel button, go ahead and click on that, and it will bring up a menu of why you actually want to cancel. So from there, you just want to choose the reason why you want to cancel and then click submit. And then from there, the cancel request will be sent to the seller and you'll receive your money back after a few days and the order will be successfully cancelled. So I hope this video helped you out and I hope you successfully managed to cancel your order on TikTok Shop. If it did, please comment down below that it helped you out and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.